There is something so satisfying about perfectly polished nails. They make you feel put together and ready to take on the world. But going to the salon can be expensive and time-consuming. The good news is that you can achieve salon-worthy nails right from your own home. With a little patience and practice, you can have beautiful nails anytime you want. It's easier than you think, I promise. We'll break down the process step by step. From prepping your nails to drying techniques, consider this your comprehensive guide to DIY manicures. Every masterpiece begins with a clean canvas. The same goes for your nails. The first step is to remove any old polish with nail polish remover and cotton balls. Make sure you get all the residue off, as any leftover bits can affect the application of the new polish. Once your nails are polish-free, it's time to smooth them out. Use a high grit buffer to gently buff the surface of your nails. This creates a smooth base for your polish and helps prevent chipping. Wipe away any dust with a clean cotton ball. Now you're ready for the base coat. Never underestimate the power of a good base coat. It's like a primer for your nails. It creates a barrier between your nail and the colored polish, preventing staining and yellowing. A base coat also helps your manicure last longer. It gives the colored polish something to adhere to so it won't chip as easily. Apply a thin, even coat of base coat to all of your nails, making sure to cap the edges. Now for the fun part, applying the color. Choose your favorite shade and give the bottle a good shake to mix the polish. If the polish is too thick, add a couple of drops of nail polish thinner to the bottle. Dip the brush into the bottle, wiping off any excess on the side. Start by placing a drop of polish in the center of your nail, slightly away from the cuticle. Push the drop towards your cuticle, then pull it down towards the edge. Repeat on each side, then fill in the center. Apply a second coat for full coverage and vibrancy. Once your second coat is dry, it's time for the top coat. A good top coat seals in the color and adds shine. It also helps prevent smudging and chipping. Apply the top coat in the same way you applied the color polish. Once your top coat is dry, apply cuticle oil to moisturize your nails and cuticles. And there you have it, beautiful salon-worthy nails at home.